Hello, my friend. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Now let us begin. This is not just a story. This is a message for your life. There was a small village. In that village, there lived a young man named Rohan. Rohan was not rich. He was not very smart, but he had one dream. Rohan wanted a better life. He wanted respect. He wanted confidence. He wanted to speak English well, but every time he tried, he failed. People laughed at him. Some people said, "You cannot do this. English is not for you." Rohan felt sad. Sometimes he wanted to quit. One day, Rohan met an old teacher. The teacher was calm and kind. Rohan said, "Sir, I try every day, but I am not improving. I feel weak. I feel slow." The teacher smiled and said, "Do you walk every day?" Rohan said, "Yes." The teacher asked, "Did you learn walking in one day?" Rohan said, "No, I fell many times." The teacher nodded. "Learning English is the same." He said, "Do not run. Just walk. One small step every day." The teacher gave him one rule. From that day, Rohan changed his thinking. He said to himself, "I will practice. I will not quit. I will improve." Every morning he practiced for 20 minutes. He listened. He repeated. He spoke loudly. Sometimes he was wrong. Sometimes his pronunciation was bad. But he continued. Day by day, word by word, sentence by sentence, he became better. After some months, something changed. People noticed him. His confidence increased. His fear decreased. One day, the same people who laughed said, "You speak well now." Rohan smiled. He remembered the teacher's words. Small steps every day. Success did not come in one night. Confidence did not come in one day. It came from daily practice. Now listen carefully. This story is about you. You do not need perfect English. You need daily practice. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Even 20 minutes is enough. But do it every day. Mistakes are your teachers. Fear is your enemy. Speak, repeat, improve. You can do this. You will do this. Say this with me. I am improving every day. I am confident. I am not afraid. I will never quit. Once again, I am improving every day. I believe in myself. Thank you. Keep practicing. See you tomorrow.